In this video I will tell you everything about Zoe, our iconic aroma diffuser. Hi, this is Samuel from Stadler, and in the first part of the video I will start with an unboxing. In the second part I will tell you how Zoe works. Alright, let's start with the unboxing. When you open the box you will find the instruction manual as well as some other documentations. Furthermore, you will have the power adapter as well as a USB cord. The USB cable allows you to use your Zoe everywhere, so you can even connect it to your computer or a power bank. So then you will of course find your Zoe in the box, and that's all you need to get going. Let's move to how Zoe actually works. You just need to add some water to the maximum mark in the unit and add some of your preferred essential oils. When talking about essential oils, it's very important to not use diluted oils which contain alcohol. The alcohol in the oil will destroy the unit. So just use high quality essential oils for this. So on the unit itself there are only two buttons, an on-off button to switch unit on and off. The second button allows you to either dim or fully switch off the light. Our Zoe comes in two colors, white and black. To summarize, Zoe is a one-of-a-kind essential oil diffuser. The flame is just breathtaking and you can add your favorite fragrance. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, and of course, if you still have any questions about Zoe, just write them in the comments below. Thank you and bye bye.